Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from a place called Crafty Like a Monkey. It is a shop on Etsy, and she makes project bags. And you guys know that I am in need of project bags because the 30 that I have just isn't enough. Okay, I'm being sarcastic. I probably don't have 30, but I definitely have more than I need. But I couldn't help it. These were so stinking cute. Her packaging is awesome. I love how she does that. Oh my goodness. So this says Coffee Diva. Look how cute that is, guys. And it's Crafty Like a Monkey. And look at her little tags. And she has a nice pull. And then it is brown on the inside. Coffee Diva. Oh my goodness. I thought that was perfect. And then I got this one. Also says Crafty Like a Monkey and has a little fox and a little girl on it. And this one, instead of a zipper, has snaps, which sometimes I like. I haven't really actually used a bag with snaps, but sometimes I like the snaps because you can still leave your yarn in here and just pull the yarn out. So it's kind of nice. I think that this will be good. She didn't have a zipper one or a drawstring one of this one, so I went ahead and just got the one that she had because I loved this pattern. And these are very nice. So it's got green polka dots on the inside. They feel like they're interfaced. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it feels like there's something inside them. It feels like quilted. And sorry if you can hear my dog coughing. We don't know exactly what's wrong with him, but he has something and he has to take medicine every day, and he ran out of his medicine, and they won't see him until he, they won't give him a refill until they see him, and he has an appointment tomorrow. So that's that. Oh my goodness, look how cute. So her name is Angela Graff, and she lives in Minnesota, and this is her business card. Crafty Like a Monkey. It's adorable. And she says follow her on Instagram for new product announcements. And look! It says CraftyLikeAMonkey.com. And it looks magnetic. So that's kind of neat. And then a little chocolate. Cute. How sweet. And then I had to get another coffee. This one says, but first coffee, and it's gray and it's flannel. I loved this plaid at the bottom. Oh my goodness. This is so soft and cushy. And the inside has this pattern. It's very nice. These are very well made. I like how she did the little design, and I like the blue. It's really cute. So these are well made, and they are very nice, and they all have that little design on them. I don't even know which one I like better. It was at first I saw this one, and I thought, oh, that one's cute. I love the fox. And then I saw this one, and I was like, oh, Coffee Diva, that is so me. I have my Starbucks right here. And then I saw this one, and it was plaid and flannel, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get that one. So I had this one in my cart and this one in my cart. And her prices were so reasonable that I thought, you know what? I'm just going to pull the plunge and get all of them because I liked all of them. And this one looks like Audrey Hepburn to me, and I love me some Audrey Hepburn. So that's exactly what I'm going to think of every time I see this bag. So I am super stoked to have all three of them. So thanks for watching, and check her out, Crafty Like a Monkey. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye.